Hello, my name is Maureen Thomas and I'm a junior studying mechanical engineering. We are currently on North Campus, right in front of the Duderstadt Center, also known as the Dude. While this building isn't specifically an engineering building, it has a lot of cool resources and spaces that engineers can use, including a cafe. Why don't we take a look inside? Hello, here we are at the entrance of the Duderstadt. There's always something going on here, whether it's a career fair or a free donut day, there's always something to get done at the Duderstadt. Here to our right, we have the help desk. They're always willing and able to help us out. Straight down the hallway, we have a bunch of really cool things like a fabrication studio, as well as an audio and visual studio. So there's a bunch of labs and classrooms that are free for all students to use. As we keep walking down, you might notice the Mujo Cafe, a great place to grab a bite to eat or to get some caffeine before your next class. But my personal favorite place is upstairs, where they have all the study spaces, and it's a great place to get work done. Let's go take a look. Hello everyone, it's Maureen and we're back with another video here at the Duderstadt. Today we'll be looking at the study areas available at the Duderstadt on the second floor. So as we go up, we will see that the Duderstadt has a lot of options for different types of study habits. So there's places that are completely quiet for those who like to study with no background noise. There's more casual places where you will get that back noise. And then you can also see here that there's a lot of spaces for team meetings. So a lot of the times on classes, you'll have to have some team meetings. So on my left, you'll also see some beautiful artwork, journals, literature, and then you'll also have some really cool spaces with computers and different technologies to help you get your work done. Thank you. Hello everyone, we are here in the Fabrication Studio, also known as the Fab Studio, and we have a friend here that is going to tell us a lot more about it.
Sure thing, Maureen. So these printers in front of us are Ultimaker 3s. They're specifically for students in undergraduate classes that want to print out a whole bunch of different cool shapes, sizes, and figures for their personal project needs. So as we move along, we can see a selection of our 5 printers and how they print different things. Up here on the left actually is a really cool example print we did, which is a Michigan Wolverine. Go Blue.
Go Blue!
Indeed. So as we move along the Fab Studio, we can see on our right these different machines. You want to know something cool about these machines, Maureen?
Yeah.
They actually cost more than a normal Maserati.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, we have them reserved for special projects that we do later on in people's undergrads, more so for their major design class.
Oh wow. What's over here?
This is our collaboration design case. We like to show it off because it shows that here at the Fabrication Studio, anyone can come in and design anything they want, anything they can think of, and we'll even have a place to store it for them if they want to display it for the general public. What's really cool to note is the different food examples in there because they look so real, don't they?
Yeah, they really do like that donut.
But lucky for us, they're not. Otherwise, we'd have a bunch of ants in the Fab Studio. Another really cool machine that we like to show off, besides just our 3D printing, is actually our laser cutting machine. Here we see our consultant David working on it as he tries to make a nameplate for himself for his dorm. Basically, what he's trying to do is laser cut his name onto a piece of wood, just like this, that has his name, so he feels like he's a real U of M student ready to get ready for a really hard semester. But yeah, this machine cuts on wood and acrylic, and we have all kinds of different wacky designs we make here in the Fab Studio.
Thank you so much. How could I be a part of this?
All you have to do to be a part of it is sign up for a Canvas course online, fill out a quick little quiz, do a quick little registration form, and you're ready to go.
Thank you so much for the tour.
No problem at all. Hopefully ready to give a whole lot more.
Hello everyone, my name is Maureen and we are back at the Duderstadt Center. Today we are looking at the video studio, and this is a really cool place where they're actually doing an experimental dance shot. So on my left, you'll see some really cool control boards and some screens with where they're shooting the different camera angles. And as we walk in, the really cool thing about the video studio is that it is open to anyone that is UM affiliated, as well as starts at virtually no cost. So they really value great ideas here over having money. And it is a great way to expand your portfolio and advance your career. So here we're actually watching a shot happen some really cool confetti's about to blow out. Hey everyone, so here we are in the audio studio and we have another friend, Logan, joining us to tell us more about it.
Yeah, I'm Logan. I'm the lab aide for the studio recording and production course here in the audio studio. Today in this class, we're doing a mix in 5.1 surround. And my students are here working on the board. This studio here, the audio studio, is a space that you can get trained for and check out for free here at the university if you're a student. Yeah, do you have any other questions?
Yeah, thank you. What's your favorite part about this studio?
Yeah, I think it's all the stuff that's here and all the things that we have access to as students that we can check out and learn about. And it's really a special place since it's all here and easy to access.
Thank you so much, Logan.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, my name is Kimmy, and I'm one of the student consultants here at Duderstadt Center's Visualization Studio. And we're actually here in one of the main sections of the studio, which is called the My Den. And here, students can bring in their 3D models, and through specially configured monitors and other equipments, these models can be reconstructed and experienced in real life. And actually, today we have one of the student project teams utilizing this technology right here in the space. And this is their project team leader, Matt. And Matt, can you just tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing here and what your team is?
Yeah, sure. So we are the Empathy and Point Clouds Feast research team. So we are working in an interdisciplinary context to do research. So our research is focused on point clouds. So behind us we have the Rackham, the exterior of the Rackham building. And our focus is on putting these models in an educational context. So for architecture professors primarily at this point, allowing them to present a space in a more realistic context instead of just a picture on a screen, being able to actually walk through, point out specific features that they like, and basically just interact more with a space instead of being forced to just point things out on a screen. Yeah.
Ah, cool. And are you guys undergraduate student team, or are you guys have like graduate students?
We have a pretty good mix, so it's around 50-50 for undergraduate and graduate.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much. Hey, we're right here in the main lab session of the visualization studio. We have a bunch of desktops with virtual reality helmets set up, where students can just come in and do a bunch of different things. You know, some here are to develop personal projects, or here for academic purposes, including faculties and all that they can come into. And others are just here to play VR games and enjoy the technology. And right here tonight, we actually have a super cool event that's student-led, and we have one of the student event organizers here to tell us a little bit more about what's going on.
Yeah, so I'm the co-president of the VR AR student org here, and we currently have an event going on, but collaboration between the VR student org and the esports student org. Tonight we're playing some VR games such as Beat Saber and Echo VR. Yeah, it's really great to just come out and play games and interact with the community here at the studio.
Cool. So is this like a competition that's going on, or what are students?
Yeah, we're gonna try to get some games of Echo VR in a little competitive 3v3 format. Yeah, and it's open sign up. Anyone could come and join and play these games here.
Sounds great. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.